Going to the sixth question. If square root of 0.04 into 0.4 into a is equal to 0.4 into 0.04 into square root b, then find the ratio a by b. Okay, now here what is given I have written here first, that is square root of 0.04 into 0.4 into a is equal to 0.4 into 0.04 into square root b. This is what was given. Now what I will do, I will write each of these terms inside the square root sign. So what happens here? This becomes square root of 0.04 into square root of 0.4 into square root a. This right hand side part, I write it as it is. Now what I will do is, I will keep a by b on one side. Now I don't have only a and only b. What I have is square root a and square root b. So I will keep square root a and square root b on one side. So square root a is already on the left hand side. I have written as it is. Square root b is on the right hand side. So when I bring it on the right hand side, here it is multiplying. So here it will divide and be in the denominator. So I have square root a upon square root b is equal to. Now I have to see what will be left on the right hand side. First let me write what is already on the right hand side, the numerical part, that is 0.4 into 0.04. And on the left hand side, what is the numerical part? Square root of 0.04 into square root of 0.4. So this square root of 0.04 into square root of 0.4, I bring it to the denominator here. So this becomes square root of 0.04 into square root of 0.4. Now what happens? We have to find a by b. And what is this here on the left hand side? Square root a upon square root b. So how will I remove the square root? Simple, by squaring. Squaring means square root a into square root a, that is a. Square root b into square root b, that is b. Okay, here now when I go to the right hand side, when I square, what happens? There is no square root sign. So I have to multiply each numerical by itself. Therefore, this becomes 0.4 into 0.4. That I will write it down here. And here I have 0.04. So 0.04 into 0.04. So I write here 0.04 into 0.04. Now, in the denominator when I square, again here there are square root signs. So the square root sign goes off because square root 0.04 into square root 0.04 is just 0.04. Same way, square root 0.4 into square root 0.4 is just 0.4. So I write here 0.4. Now at this stage, what do? I look at the numerator and denominator and see what I can cancel. Okay, I have here 0.4. Even the first term in the numerator is 0.4. So I can cancel these two. I see here there is 0.04. The last term in the numerator is 0.04. So I can cancel it. You can cancel any of the 0.04 or any of the 0.4s. I have just cancelled the first and last. So these two terms remain together. Okay. Now let us see what is left now. I have here 0.4 into 0.04. So I write here 0.4 into 0.04. Now, what is 0.4? You see here I have to write in terms of fraction, that is 4 upon 10. What is 0.04 in terms of fraction? 4 upon 100. Let me try to simplify this now. Here, what happens? 2 goes in 4 2 times, 2 goes in 10 5 times, 2 goes in 4 2 times, 2 goes in 100 50 times. So, now let me see whether I can simplify this 2 upon 50 further. 2 goes in 2 once, 2 goes in 50, 20, 5 times. So now when I multiply, what happens? This becomes 2 into 1, right? 2 into 1 upon, what is left? 5 into 25. So 2 into 1 is 2. 5 into 25 is 125. Now this is in terms of fraction. What was the question? Find the ratio A by B, or A is to B. So I have to write this in terms of a ratio. So I write 2 is to 125.